How to make a part 2 of this VFD Himel VFD. I'm making this one as part 2 because my phone has just switched off suddenly, so I have to make a part 2. Now the part 2, what I was just starting to explain, is how you can navigate through this VFD. How you navigate. You press the program, you go F0, you can see dash F0 dash, then down here 00. Now we found out that we go back to 00. We found out that this VFD you can just run from here. You see it is ramping up, not very clear, but you can see it has ramped up until 50. Then if I switch off, it will ramp down. It's ramping down until 00. Okay, now it is 00. Now, how do I navigate inside this VFD? In order to navigate this inside this VFD, first I am trying to make it a little bit dark here because it is daytime and the light is a lot of light and it is so hot. Actually, I'm in a Gulf country, so you press the program, you go to F0, yeah? F0. Now we want to run it from the door. We want to run from the door. So how do I navigate? You see it is F0. I want to go to F1.0. I rotate this one until I go to F1. You can see I've gone to F1. Then I press enter. Now it is F10.00, yeah? Now I want to go to F1.1. F1.1, I rotate, you rotate, but it will take more time, yeah? 6. F101. If you enter F101, F101 is 00, eh? If you go out, F101 is 00. Now if I press the zeros which are here, they are going to highlight up here. Then I can do the changes. Already the 0.0 is highlighting down. F101, it is highlighting down. But if I press enter, if I press here enter, these zeros will appear here. Okay. If I press like that, you see, now it is 0.00. So I want to make it 1. You can see F1.01. I want to make it 1 so that I can run from the terminals, the cables there. Now I have entered there. Now I have to rotate this wheel. I rotate the wheel. Now you can see the last 0 is the one which is highlighting. I want it to make it 1. This is 0.000.00. The point is in the middle of the two zeros. So I want this 0 to highlight, the third one. So what do? I can use this arrow. I use this arrow, now the first 0 is highlighting. I press again, the second 0 will be highlighting. So what do I want to do? I want to change it to 1. So I rotate, I make it 1. Enter. So if I go out, I go in again, I want to go, I go out, So So I have selected my F101 as 1. I've entered. It is 1. Now I can exit using the same program. I exit, exit, exit until I go 0, 0. But the moment I try to run from the door, still it is not running. So, but my first relay is energizing. My first relay is energizing. So what do? I have to go to program. So I have to go to program F9.01. F9.01. So how do I go about it? Once again, I press the program. Now it is showing F1. I rotate this one until F9. F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9. Then I enter because I want F9.01. I enter F9.01. What am I getting F9.01? I rotate that one. It's 5 hertz. 5 hertz. I increase. I have to enter. The last 0 is highlighting and I want to go very fast, so I change. The first 0 will highlight. I take it to 4. I want it to run up to 45 hertz. Now I change up to 45 hertz. F9.01, 45 hertz. That is from my diagram. From my diagram here, you can see common. This common through relay 1. I go up to digital input 1, and the same common through relay 1, I go up to digital input 4. Digital input 4, then I go to program F9.01. F9.01, okay? So, like I've just explained, yeah? Now if you connect between common, digital input 1 and digital input 4, you have to go to F9.01. Then there you'll find already the set frequency is 5 hertz. You have to change up to the desired speed that you want. If it is between common, digital input 1 and digital input 5, yeah, you have to change the program at F9.02, and you'll find that it is already preset at 10 hertz, or that is the default. Then you can change to your desired speed. Yeah, the analog input, I've used this is the analog output. The analog output I put there, number 11. I mean the analog input analog input 1. This one you can put 10 volts, 0 to 10 volts DC. And your common here is ground, and your analog input I've used analog input 1. Then in that case, yeah, it will be between common and only digital input 1. If you are using out reference, yeah, 0 to 10 volts, here you'll put the positive. This one will be the negative, the ground. The analog output will be here, A01, and your digital input will be between common and digital input 1. Now there are some programs also you have. Now we know even how to navigate. I've explained, but there are some programs that you have to program also. Yeah. Okay. That one is already programmed. F001 0.01. Okay. F1.01 already that one are programmed. Then when you don't want to forget F1.02, which is 3 analog input 1 in my case. Then I have to go to F1.06, that is the maximum frequency. F1.07, this one is operation frequency, which is also 50 Hertz. Okay, then I go to acceleration. Acceleration is F1.11, which is the ramp up time, and deceleration time, which is the ramp down. This one I have not programmed. Let me program them. I have to set them at 30 seconds. Yeah. Now F1.11. I press the program. I go F1. I enter. Then I have to go to F1.11. I highlight that one, the next one. Then I rotate this one, F1.11. It's already, let me see, F1.11 is 6 seconds in this case. I want to change up to 30. Now you can see where it is highlighting. I have to use my arrow. I go there, the next one, I make it 3, 1, 2, 3. Then I go to the next one, I make it 0. Okay. Let me see, I've set 40 seconds. No, I don't want 40 seconds. I want 30. So I have to go back. I highlight that one. I highlight that one. 4. Yes. 3. Now I change. You can see F1.11 is 30. I go F1.12 is 6 seconds. Yeah. Now I want to change to 30 seconds. I press there. You see where it is highlighting. I change this using this one. I change 3. I go to the next. I make it 0. 30 seconds. So I've programmed the acceleration and deceleration, and I can go out, I can exit using that one. Then from there, I have to go and program the motor rated power, which is 15 kilowatt in our case, up to which is F3.01. F3.02 is our amps, and F3.03 is the rated speed, which is RPM. So what do? We go F.301. F.301. Press the program once again. 3. You can see it's already set 11 kilowatt, but in our case our motor is 15 kilowatt. So I press enter, and I want to highlight, not that one, I want to highlight that one. So I go 15 kilowatt. Then F 3.02 is our amps, yeah, and this in our case is 28.7, which is almost the same. Here it's already set at 28.8. Yeah, I can enter there and I change it to 7, although it is the same thing. Then our RPM. What is our RPM?
1476.
Okay, our RPM in this case, the default is 1460. So we enter
1460. 1460.
Yeah, it is the same as from our motor. As from our motor, it's the same thing. So we enter, and I think we are done with our program. Yeah, we are already done. Thank you.